here, I come out here, I come out here. Somebody has shouted. Good out. Something is there. Or normally ladies will sleep, will go bed late. Gents, normal, madam, I don't know how you are practicing. My practice like that. I will go first. Then by 10 o'clock AGM call. Will be there in the mobile. My wife will call. A display will come now. AGM regional office, a display will come. So I am here. Almost I am here. 10:30, 11 o'clock. My wife will see, AGM come, maybe urgent come. He has to be. She will come and I will just give slap. Suppose if I am just here, I got half an hour time. Suppose AGM call will come. See, this AGM, this director's all, just for now, don't tell it. Just by seeing your commentary, your wife got this one, don't tell all those things. This is only for making jokes.
This is a call.
Yeah, very good. Why this is so? Say, in the elder people, if you have joint family and all, if you are sleeping, elders used to tell, hey, he is sleeping, don't disturb him. If you disturb him, he will get up and he will beat you. If you are in the joint family, the elders, if you have, they used to tell. Correct, no? That was the saying. Why it is so? Why it is so? My mind wants to complete that cycle. Anybody breaks that cycle, immediately my mind will get irritated. See, when I wanted to enjoy, when I wanted to relax, when I wanted to do some sleep and all, my mind has already said, I have already gone to 1 hour, about to get good sleep. At that time, somebody comes and disturb me, will I keep quiet? I will shout and I will listen. When just I am going to this one, okay, all right. But when I am here, if somebody disturbs me, definitely they are going to take it. Why it is? I am in a deep sleep. That's why elders used to tell, don't disturb. See, बाहर तो blanket करके हम सो जाएगा ना. Nobody knows where, in which status that man is. बाहर वाला को पता नहीं होता ना. So which status, whether I am in delta state or alpha state, these are all called symbols. Status also it is there. Delta state में है, alpha state में है, theta state में है, beta state में है. Nobody knows that one. I am only experiencing that one. If anybody kills that experience, they will definitely there. Even if you are a very silent man, at that time, your silence, everything will go. These are all you are experiencing or not. See, you have all experienced, you have all done all these things. But without knowing some of the concepts. That's why I wanted to share that all these concepts. We have completed 3 cycles. Lagbhag, at that time, the time is around 4:30 or 5 o'clock. Correct? 4:30 or 5. If you sleep by 10 o'clock, 3 cycles complete करने का कितने टाइम लगेगा? 3 cycles complete करने के लिए 6 hours. 6 hours में और last this one लगभग 4:30 or 5 o'clock. Before 4:30 or before 12 o'clock, you have to complete 1 cycle compulsory. And another 2 cycles before 5 o'clock you have to complete. Why it is so? Why you have to complete before 5 o'clock? We are all nature, no? Which is created by the God. It is like a nature. The tree also is there, I am also is there, everything has been created by God. What the trees will do after 7:30, 8 o'clock, they will also start their cycle, no? You will get sleep. Birds and all, they will get sleep. So like that only we will get sleep. After the tree sleeps, what kind of this one gas it will carbon dioxide. By 5 o'clock it will get up. What kind of thing you will get? Oxygen. By 4 that ozone you will get. Before that O3. After that O2. Okay. Ozone you will get. So ours also it is a nature. That's why people used to tell. So by before 5 o'clock, Pujana. Even if you sleep after 5 o'clock, our body will not get charged. Even if you lay down up to 8 o'clock, no doubt, you will be relaxed, you will be like all those things you are doing, but our body will not get charged. Correct, na? Correct or not? You will not charge, madam. Even sometimes someday you wanted to get up by 9 o'clock. Our body will lie down only, but that is useless. That is useless thing only. What it will happen, it will not give any relaxation to, but the oppositely what happen, if you are lying down after 4:30 or 5 o'clock, it will work here. Unnecessary thoughts and all, whatever 2 hours in the 20 minutes to 4 hours charge has been generated, before you are getting up, your charge will be taken away by this one. You are laid down, but you are in this status only. Active status or disturbed status only, relaxed status only. नींद तो नहीं आ जाएगा ना, ऐसे ऐसे करके ऐसे, but what happens is there is no use of that kind of.
So he is sleeping up to 9 o'clock.
नहीं sir, lying sir, lying. I sleep around 11 o'clock sir. 11 बजे तक संडे एक साइकिल और कंप्लीट करता हूँ
अभी
yes sir.
Somebody has made some research. They have made this IQ. They have made the IQ test. When this IQ will be more tested, how it is very nice statistics are there. Intermittent portion you are all heard now. When it is just see when it is high, when you are relaxed, when your thoughts are very good, when you are relaxed mode, your IQ is very high. Just see this. You should not think that I am relaxed, my IQ may be dull. No. When you are relaxed, when you are good, this one, your IQ is very high. When you are stressed, you cannot judge properly. Your IQ is very low. Even if you are in active also, it is only middle range. That's why when you are writing your examinations or you are attending the interviews or when you are talking to your next standards or your customers, you should be how? Now, after thinking all these things, how to, from here, how to go to here. I told mind is bundle of thoughts. Now tell me what kind of thoughts, in general, what kind of thoughts is coming and it is going. What kind of thoughts? You can group and you can tell, not necessarily you have to tell, sir, अभी आपको एक मिनट में ना मेरा गर्लफ्रेंड वो दिन को आ गया.
Various thoughts about life, career,
Anything, see, mind no. हागे गुगे कागले नविलो, everything is there. कारा करना, गोरा करना, all the disturbances it is making. What kind of thoughts we are receiving? How to control the thoughts? See, we know that there is a disturbance. We know that if you are in 30 to 50, you are in stress. We know that if you have got 4 to 8, you have to relax. This one, deep sleep, relax 8 to 17, and all those things we know. Now the question is, how to reduce my thought flow? That is important, no? So the entire thing I have given only problem, and I narrated how the thought flow will be there. I narrated so much only. Everybody knows. Or if you are not known, it is happening in your mind. That and all everything knows. Now after knowing this concept, my next question is what? How to control? That is very important. No? If I tell up to this stage and leave you people, there is no there is no, but everybody knows that. You may not scientifically or in this flow, you may not narrate the story. I have narrated the story, okay. But